Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is there. Right. There. As in, trowch i'r there. Turn to the right. There. Right.